You cannot have the candle. You can't have it. No!
You want a treat? You want to go outside? You want some big booty bitches? Ah, just like your old man.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Yo, what's up? 开始吧。
Kari, who's your best friend? Got a little kid!
She's sniffing him? He's like, Babe, come look. Watch me fall in. Gators? Where'd he go? He said, that's plastic. The gator car was sniffing. I know, oh my god. Oh, yes. Holy shit.
What's under there?
My god. I just got.
Oh my god.
Guys, I'm not kidding, I shit.
Holy. Okay.
Pretend to be on a phone call, but use your dog's favorite words.
Hi! I'd like to speak to Celio regarding the purchase of treats and also ice and food. Yeah, we do have some chicken available. Yeah, and water. Yeah, you can just come outside and we'll play her by ear. Otherwise, I can send it over in a crate. Oh yeah, and the brush.
Dawaj na łomie, ty sможesz.
Walter, leave him alone. Walter!
What are you looking at? Why are you shaking? What are you looking at? Why are you shaking? What is it? What is it, Zoe? What is it? What is it? Oh my goodness. Is it a ducky? Is it a ducky? Is it a ducky? I guess we're buying it. You probably know what a domestic cat sounds like, but do you know what a wild cat sounds like?
Something we do not talk about enough is whenever a cat is trying to catch a bug and their owner is helping them and the cat like completely understands the assignment. I literally saw someone tossing their cat up to the ceiling, and every time the cat knew to, grasp its paws once it got up to the ceiling. Like, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful example of teamwork, and we don't talk enough about it.
This sounded so gross.
Good boy.